station on Space to Ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Leah Cheshire. This week, astronauts welcomed a brand new spacecraft aboard the International Space Station. The SpaceX Crew Dragon launched from the Kennedy Space Center on Saturday morning, March 2nd. One day later, it docked to the very front of the space station. Expedition 58 crew members Anne McLean, David St. Jacques, and Oleg Kononenko opened the hatch and went inside. The first time the Crew Dragon was entered in space, and the first time the forward hatch was opened since the space shuttle last docked in 2011. Later, they made some opening remarks to welcome the vehicle and congratulate the teams that made it possible, then floated inside to show the world.
Welcome to the Crew Dragon.
After outfitting Dragon for its 5-day stay on the space station, the crew spent some time transferring about 400 pounds of cargo from the vehicle, and even put some cargo back in Dragon, knowing it would safely return to Earth later in the week. The Crew Dragon completed its stay on Friday when it undocked and headed for a splashdown in the Atlantic Ocean off the coast of Florida, wrapping up a successful demonstration Mission 1 for SpaceX and NASA's Commercial Crew Program. Meanwhile, in Baikonur, 3 new crew members are gearing up for launch to the orbiting laboratory. NASA's Christina Cook and Nick Hague, as well as Alexei Ovchinin of Roscosmos, are in their final moments before lifting off in their Soyuz vehicle on March 14th, wrapping up their training and partaking in their pre-launch traditions. Be sure to tune in live to witness these spacefarers take the trip to their new home in space next Thursday. Keep sending in your questions using the hashtag #SpaceToGround. We'll see you next week.